Let's understand the concept of variadic functions in Golang. So variadic functions are the functions that can accept any number of the argument. Whether we are passing 1, 2 or any number of the arguments, we will be able to call the same function. So here we have taken a sum function, and how can we make it as a variadic function? With the help of ellipses. This ellipsis says that this function will be accepting any number of the arguments, and the type of the arguments will be integer here. So you are passing any number of the arguments, but the type of every value will be integer, and all of the passed arguments will be stored in this nums array. After creating this function, I can call this function with no arguments, as I am calling here. With 2 arguments also I can call this, and any number of the arguments I can pass while calling this function. All these arguments will be stored in this num array. To read all the arguments from this num array, we can iterate over this nums and we can get the values. So here in this function, we are summing up all the arguments values. If there is no argument, then by default, the value will be 0. If we are passing these 3 arguments, then it will give the output 1 plus 2 plus 3, as we have summing up all the values, whatever we have passed as an argument. Let's run the code. How does it work? So here we can see when we haven't passed any argument, the value is 0. If we passed these 2 values, 1 plus 2, it is providing the output as 3. For these, output is 6. And for these 5 arguments, it adds all these values and the total is 15. So with the help of ellipses, variadic function can be created that can accept any number of the arguments. Must try this variadic function in your Golang project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more content like this. See you in next one. Thank you.